Coding Shark's YouTube channel. And today's question is, should I learn computer programming in 2019? And before I answer that question, I just want to give a little background on myself. I am a University of Toronto graduate for computer science, right? And I've done courses on Coursera, right? The CS50 course. So I have a pretty good understanding of what computer science is and what uh, opportunities are out there for computer science. Now, to answer the question, I think learning computer science and programming is most definitely a good idea in 2019, and there's many reasons to that, right? And I'll give you just a few. With computer programming, you can pretty much create anything you want, right? And that's a good skill you need in 2019, right? Because let's just say you created a business, and in that business, you want to create your own app or your own website. If you have computer science knowledge, you can easily do that, and it wouldn't take that much time. Now, yes, you can hire people to do that work for you, but let me tell you something. Doing it yourself will most definitely create a better outcome, right? And that's just a fact. There's many researches to back that up. Next, a job in computer science is almost guaranteed. Almost guaranteed, right? If you know how to program, then getting a job is relatively easy, right? And I've gotten a job in the United States, right? I have friends that gotten jobs in Canada and in the United States, and getting a job is easy, and it's easy because of simply looking at this page right here, right? The current opening for computing jobs is 527,169, and the amount of computer science graduates is only 60,000, right? So there's over 400,000 job openings for people, right? And that's exactly why people with non-computer science degrees and people even without degrees get computer science jobs because they know how to program. Now, obviously money is a factor, right? When it comes to programming and computer science, like they get paid a lot, like programmers and people with computer science knowledge, they get paid a lot more than the average, right? If we look at the salaries, right, if you guys just search up average salaries, it's in the United States is $104,000 a year, $50 an hour, and that's crazy, right? And just to look at the job outlook too, it's 24%, right? So the number of jobs is increasing by 24% every single year, right? And that's estimated from 2016 to 2026. So the future is bright. So the future is very bright for computer science. Now, another reason as to why you should learn computer science is that it makes you think logically, right? When I first started off computer science, started off studying computer science, and now that I look at myself right now, if I compare my old self to my new self, like I know for sure I got more intelligent. The way I solve problems has gotten more like I'm better at solving problems, and that's mainly due to computer science, right? If you just do a quick Google search, you will find that computer science does make you more intelligent. Now, job flexibility is also a big factor, right? When it comes to computer science, a lot of people can work from home, and that's pretty cool if you ask me, right? Like you could just stay at home, stay in bed, quickly program, and then you can spend the rest of your time with your family and friends. And like I personally love that flexibility. So, and just to wrap up my presentation or wrap up my tutorial, computer science is an industry that has a future, right? It's futuristic. It's jobs, like that's not a problem. Like learning how to program, that is something you need to focus on. And just a quick tip for people that are learning programming: if you find it difficult, just don't quit, right? Like it's very common for new programmers to find it difficult, and that's something I had to go through myself too. When you first learn programming, it's very difficult, right? But then the question is, should I? The question that a lot of people confuse is, should I continue or not? And you should continue only if you like it, right? Not the if it's difficult, don't take that into consideration, right? Because you can always get better, right? That's not a problem. But if you don't like the work you're doing, then I would say computer science and programming is not for you. So going back to my question, should you learn computer science? It depends on if you like it, right? Try it out. Like 100% everybody should try it out. If you like it, go into it, right? Because there's many opportunities, right? You can make a lot of money. uh, it makes you more intelligent. Jobs are guaranteed, right? There's a lot of good benefits and perks for learning computer science and programming. But again, if you don't understand it, like I know people that are depressed and miserable when they're learning computer science, right? So you need to self-reflect here. Do you like computer science and programming? And if the answer is yes, then getting into the field is a good idea, right? But if the answer is no, then like I wouldn't put myself in that position, right? So guys, once again, thank you guys for watching my video. And again, if you have any comments or concerns, leave it in the comment section. And as always, like and subscribe. Thank you.